Hi everyone, Alexa Donne here, and today I'm coming at you with a very special book unboxing. This is not only a brand new book box, it's also the first book box I have ever unboxed, and I am in the book box. I got this last night. I got home from Y'all West and it was at my doorstep, and it took all of my strength not to tear open all of the packaging, and I really wanted to, but I wanted to save all of my first impressions for this video. So the box is the Second Star book box. So as I mentioned, this is brand new. This is their first ever box, and Second Star book box specializes in YA debuts specifically. So this is my debut year. Brightly Burning is my first book, and so I am their inaugural book box pick. A debut for a debut box. I'm gonna link down below to all the information that you need to subscribe to the Second Star book box if you like what you see. I've also got it up on the screen, website. Definitely check it out. And with no further ado, I am going to open this box up and start unwrapping everything. So first you see it comes with a bit of tissue paper, and I'm just going to undo the sticker. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. So the theme for the box is of moons and moors. So first off, look at this gorgeous artwork. It is a silhouette of a girl with a bun, and they put a quote from the book on it. And it says, "Hugo was a planet far from reach, a brightly burning star, too distant to fathom." And of course the spoiler card tells you everything that's in the box, but I am not going to read it. I'm just going to unwrap things as I go. So first off, it looks like we've got a bookmark and some cards, art cards for an indie book series. It is called Legacy, book 1 of the Biodome Chronicles, and I think this is a redemption card to maybe get a free download. And the author is Jessica Sundin. Next, there's tea. So this is called Tea with Stella. Stella Ainsley is the main character in my book, and it is strawberry and lemon, and it's enhanced with a pinch of sugar. Take a look at that. It's so pretty. I'm gonna open this up. It smells really good. It's a nice, like, kind of fruity tea, and I actually adore fruit tea. The box didn't even know that. They just happened to give me tea that is super up my alley. And then it comes with a little steeper with this gorgeous galaxy pendant on it. Next, we have this, and I think I know what this is. There's a theme. The box is really well packed, which is good since we have this awesome tea mug, and it says, "Reader, I married him." So it's got the famous Jane Eyre quote on it. It's purple and cursive with like a heart. So if you haven't read Brightly Burning, there's a lot of tea in the book. Stella really loves tea because she's a good British girl, so hence the tea theme. Next is this. Let's see. It is a candle. I have always wanted a candle, and it is called Aboard the Rochester, and this is is so cool, guys. The book box made and poured their own candle. So first of all, take a look at how gorgeous this label is. Ooh. Now let's see what this is. It's blackberry, spice, and sage. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, that's nice. So it's just a nice purple candle. Ooh, it has a wooden wick. Hold on, there was a card about the candle. About your wood wick candle. Wood wick candles create a soft crackling sound when burning, giving you the perfect book reading ambiance. Your wick is trimmed to the proper length for your first burn. For subsequent burns, pinch off any burnt wood before relighting. Cool. So it looks like the box comes with 2 books wrapped in this lovely brown paper packaging. So the first book is a special paperback edition of Jane Eyre. I am gonna look on the spoiler card for this one because the book box did kind of tell me about this, but I want to share this with you. This is a custom copy of Jane Eyre. So the book box literally designed this version themselves. So it has a special cover, and it's purple, which you know I like. And so they have the quote from Jane Eyre, which is, "I sometimes have a queer feeling with regard to you, especially when you are near me, as now. It is as if I I had a string somewhere under my left rib, tightly and inextricably knotted to a similar string situated in the corresponding quarter of your little frame. And so it has the ribs with a heart and a string and a gorgeous purple flower. Oh my god. Ooh, oh guys, it's really nice, guys. Oh my god. So yeah, custom copy of Jane Eyre comes with this box. How cool is that? And last but certainly not least is the book, which is a little book called Brightly Burning by Alexa Donne. I don't know if you have heard of it. It is Jane Eyre in space. Hi, welcome to my channel. So this is the book and it comes with the card, which has the cover on one side and a handwritten letter from yours truly on the other side. I'll show you. Ooh, and now you know what my handwriting looks like. I won't read the whole thing to you, but just like a little sneak peek of what I said. I talked about why I chose to retell Jane Eyre, and I said, I love Charlotte Bronte's novel, the steadfastness of Jane as a narrator, the pull of forbidden romance, and of course the page-turning mystery. And I love sci-fi narratives where the environment, technology, and people are at odds, where characters must face extreme circumstances and impossible decisions. So why I decided to retell Jane Eyre in space. And then look! A book plate! Also signed by me, so that's my signature. I don't think I need to stick it in my own book though. If I really, I could sign this for myself, right? That wouldn't be weird. So guys, how cool is this? You got Brightly Burning, which is Jane Eyre in space, and a copy of Jane Eyre. So this box is the perfect box. If you haven't read Jane Eyre yet, you're going to get your own special copy. This is blowing my mind. So that is it. That is the first ever Second Star Books book box, the debut book box for debut writers, and it's got my book in it, this amazing custom copy of Jane Eyre, the Jane Eyre mug, and the tea ball, also the amazing fruit tea with Stella, and this candle. I cannot wait to light and burn this candle. It smells so amazing. And also guys, I have a purple candle that is inspired by my book Goals Achieved. This was actually really one of my goals. I wanted a book candle. So I am so excited about this box. I highly recommend you pick it up. Every month Second Star is going to have a different debut book in the box. So it's a brand new book by a brand new author. And as you can tell from their first box, they like hit it out of the park. You get bonuses like custom copies of other books, amazing candles, custom teas. I really like what they're doing here, and you can actually still pick up copies of the debut box, the May box with Brightly Burning and all of these things in it. Again, I'm gonna link it down below to their website, and I also highly recommend you sign up for subsequent book boxes, because if this was just their first one, I can only see them growing and becoming more incredible with every single box. Also, I will be doing a special book club with Second Star subscribers toward the end of the month. I will put the dates for that book club down below or on the screen. So definitely subscribe to the box, get the box, and join me for the special book club where we will talk all about Brightly Burning and you can ask me any of your burning questions. And thank you so much to Rachel from Second Star Books for choosing me for your debut box. I am so grateful and thankful. You don't even know. This is like author goals, like such a thrill for me. So thank you so much, Second Star Books. I have to say, it's been so hard keeping this a secret from you guys. I have known that I was gonna be in this book box for a few months. I didn't know everything that was gonna be in it, but I have been waiting, and I'm so thankful to Second Star Books for not only picking me for their first box, but sending me a copy, the full box, so that I could enjoy it and unbox it and share it with all of you. So thank you so much for watching, and as always everyone, happy reading.